Hey everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to show you this Cosori that I just got. I just purchased this thing and I'm about to make me some chicken. I don't know if you're going to see the chicken at this point, but I want to give you a little introduction to this air fryer. This air fryer is a turbo blaze 6-quart air fryer. And I'm going to pull out the basket here. You press it down and you pull it out, and here is the basket. Inside you'll see the air fryer grill, and I also put a air fryer paper liner, disposable paper liner in it. So you know when the grease drops out, it'll drop in here. This is a basket kind of an air fryer, and you know I have oven air fryers, but this is and another grill, but this is a basket one, and I just wanted to try it out. So anyway, when I put it back in, this comes on, but I can turn it off here, and I can turn it back on here. You got your air fryer, you got your roast, and each time it's going to give you whatever the pre set temperatures are. You got broil here, which is 450. Got frozen, which is 390, and you can change the temperature up and down, which is real cool. And you can also change the minutes, which is real cool. I really like that. You got your preheat, you got your reheat, you got your dry, bake, proof, that if you're making bread or something, and you got warm. So these are the functions of this Cosori. I am about to make me some chicken in it. So this is what you may see this on a different video. But so far, I really am liking this thing. I really am. So there we go. All right.